Hello everyone, how are you? In this occasion, you will learn about vocabularies around the nature with Bu is me. I hope you can enjoy this video till the end. Check it out. Okay, the goals of this lesson are make you know and understand about many things around the nature. So please watch this video nicely and carefully. What we will learn? First, we will learn about the definition of nature. What is nature? Second, we will learn point by point what is in the nature. We know that the nature fulfilled of many things like flora, fauna, and other materials. I'm sure that not all people understand the definition of nature. Nature is the phenomena of the physical world collectively, including plants, animals, the landscape, and other features and products of the earth, as opposed to humans or human creation. Inside the nature, we know some parts that relating to mortal or organism and life cycle. These are the parts. First, habitat. Habitat is the natural home or environment of an animal, plant, or other organism. Second, ecosystem. An ecosystem is a geographic area where plants, animals, and other organisms, as well as weather and landscape, work together to form a bubble of life. In other definition, we know ecosystem is a circle in a habitat for make a life cycle. There are so many things inside the nature, such as flora, fauna, and other materials. Flora is the plants of a particular region, habitat, or geological period. Example, pine trees, Rafflesia arnoldi, and other foliage. And fauna is the animals of a particular region, habitat, or geological period. Example, lion, tiger, primata, and other insects. And other things in nature is objects origin from nature other than flora and fauna. Example, wind, water, and stones.
Thanks for watching this video and see you on the next lesson.